In this video, learn about CGTMSE Loan. CGTMSE is an initiative of the Government of India in collaboration with the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, and the Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, launched on the 30th of August 2000. The CGTMSE full form is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, and as is evident from the name, it is a trust which provides the financial institutions with credit guarantee to provide loans to SMEs and MSMEs. Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme for Micro and Small Enterprises was started to promote SME and MSME sector in India. Both new and existing micro and small enterprises including service enterprises are eligible for a collateral-free loan with a maximum credit cap of Rs. 2 crores. The interest rate depends upon the applicant's profile, business requirements, and project cost and is comparatively low as compared to other direct loan schemes. The credit guarantee coverage is offered a maximum of up to 75% of the total project cost. Features of the Credit Guarantee Scheme. The standout features of the CGTMSE scheme is guaranteed repayment of 75% or 85% in some cases for the defaulted principal loan amount up to 50 lakh rupees. The maximum guarantee is 50% for a loan amount greater than 50 lakh rupees but under 1 crore rupees. Provides for 85% repayment for loans up to 5 lakh rupees to micro enterprises. The guarantee amount for repayment is 80% of the loan amount in case the MSME is promoted by a woman or the location of the unit is in the Northeast region, NER. The repayment procedure covers the entire loan amount inclusive of the interest component for 3 months. 1 crore rupee as support to the lender if the business failure is beyond the control of the management. Who is eligible for the CGTMSE scheme? The CGTMSE scheme covers small and medium enterprises in most of the industrial sectors. Here are the CGTMSE scheme eligibility criteria for those who want to apply are Indian citizens who are 18 and above the age of 18 new as well as existing enterprises within the manufacturing sector enterprises in service activities as per MSMED Act, 2006 Small Road and Water Transport Loans Credit facilities need to be taken from a single enlisted lending institution, as mentioned by the CGTMSE scheme enterprises that state-level institution, NSI already supports. How to apply for CGTMSE loan? Small and medium enterprises seeking to avail of the scheme's benefits will have to apply for a CGTMSE loan separately. Here are the steps borrowers need to follow to apply for a loan with CGTMSE collateral coverage. Step 1. Borrowers need to register their private limited company, limited liability partnership, one-person company, or a company proprietorship and procure the necessary approvals and tax registrations. Borrower S will not be able to apply for a loan without being registered at the government database. Step 2. Borrowers need to make a detailed business plan that consists of the business model, promoter profile, projected financials, and so on. This report needs to be submitted to the lending institution from which the loan needs to be procured. This business plan will decide the eligibility of the loan amount. Step 3. When you file the business plan and submit it to the lending authority, you also need to submit a CGTMSE application with all the necessary details. You will be able to download this application from the official website cgtmse.org.in. Step 4. The lending authority will now start the process of analysis and verification before sanctioning the loan. The lending authority will do so by following its policies. The time needed for sanctioning a loan varies. Step 5. The lending institution will then apply to CGTMSE on your behalf to obtain the collateral guarantee. After CGTMSE approves the request, you will have to make the one-time CGTMSE fee and the service charges according to the loan amount sanctioned. Documents required for a loan under the CGTMSE scheme and its coverage. CGTMSE loan application form with passport-sized photographs, business plan, business incorporation letter, company registration certificate, business project report, CGTMSE loan coverage letter, copy of loan approval from the bank, any other document required by the bank. CGTMSE also provides recovery support to the business units. The scheme covers the loan for rehabilitation within the credit cap of 1 crore rupees if a business unit is beyond the control of the management. Which banks and lending institutions provide CGTMSE loans? Scheduled Commercial Banks, SCBS, Regional Rural Banks, RRBS, Small Finance Banks, SFBS, Non-Banking Financial Companies, NBFCS, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, SIDBI, National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited. NED-5. Special benefits of CGTMSE loans. While most CGTMSE scheme eligibility criteria apply to everyone, there are some exceptional cases in which CGTMSE may extend some unique benefits, such as all loans from the Northeast states are eligible for a credit coverage of up to 80%. An annual fee of only 0.75% is also required to be paid. Women-owned enterprises will be eligible for credit coverage of up to 80%. Micro-enterprises with loan credit amounts of up to 5 lakh rupees will be eligible for 80% credit coverage. A special rehabilitation scheme might be extended to businesses who are already under the CGTMSE scheme but have experienced problems that are not direct faults of the management. Summary: CGTMSE is an excellent scheme that the government has introduced to uplift MSEs in the manufacturing and service sectors. You need to check all the CGTMSE scheme eligibility criteria before applying for the loan to increase your chances of approval. Thank you. You subscribe, like and click bell button of Option and Ideas portal.